welcome to Math Lesson 57. You should have pages 113 and 114 out and in front of you, so it has the crab on the front. We're going to get started with that crab. This is a review lesson, so we're going to start by some listening skills. So to do this problem, you have to just listen to me because it's not written on your paper, and I will help you with what you need to do. All right, ready? Liam saw 12 ghost crabs at the beach. By the way, this doesn't mean that the crabs were a ghost, it's just the name of the crab. This particular type of crab is called a ghost crab. So Liam saw 12 ghost crabs at the beach, 12 ghost crabs. But 8 of them ran away before he could show his brother. How many ghost crabs did Liam show his brother? So Liam saw 12, then 8 ran away. How many are left? What do I need to do? Well, in the workspace, you start with 12 because that's how many he saw. How many of them ran away? 8. So did they take away or were they added? We would take them away because they ran away. So that would be -8. So that's what you need to write in the workspace. Finish that out, and that's all that you have to do for that problem. Nice and easy. Number 2 says, write the quotients. So you need to divide 32 divided by 4, 40 divided by 5, and so on. Number 3, divide and check. Okay, we are going to do the first 3 of these problems together on the board, and then you need to do number 4 by yourself. Okay, so letter A is 45 divided by 5. Let's begin. How many times can 5 go into 4? How many groups of 5 are in 4? Are there any groups of 5 in 4? No, because 4 is smaller than 5, so we don't even have one group. We have 0 groups of 5 in 4. Multiply 0 by 5 and you get 0. 4 minus 0 is 4. 4 is less than 5, so we bring down our 5. Now we have 45 divided by 5. How many groups of 5 are in 45? 9, that's right. You know that from your multiplication facts. 9. 9 times 5 is 45. 45 minus 45 is 0. 0 is less than 5, so I can check. 9 is my answer up here. I'm going to multiply that by my number here, which is 5. 9 times 5, whoops, my line's going all over the place. 9 times 5 is 45. 45 matches my number in the division house, so my problem is correct. All right, let's move over to the next one. I have 96 divided by 4. How many groups of 4 can fit in 9? 2, that's right. We can put 2 groups of 4 in 9. 2 times 4 is 8. 9 minus 8 is what? 1, very good. Is 1 less than 4? Yes, it is. So I can go to the next step and bring down my 6. 16 divided by 4. How many groups of 4 are in 16? 4, that's right. So I put my 4 above the 6. 4 times 4 is 16. 16 minus 16 is 0. Now I have 24 times 4 to check it. 4 times 4 is 16. Carry my 1. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 1 is 9. My answer is 96. 96 here. Does my answer match here? Yes, it does. So I did this correctly. All right, letter C. Last one that we're going to do together. 54 divided by 6. How many groups of 6 are in 5? None. That's right. So we have to put a 0 because 5 is smaller than 6. And 0 times 6 is 0. 5 minus 0 is 5. 5 is less than 6? Yes, it is. So I'll bring down my 4. And I have 54 divided by 6. How many groups of 6 are in 54? 9. That may have been a challenging one because the 6s are a little bit new, but there are 9 6s in 54. 9 times 6 is 54 exactly. 54 minus 54 is 0. Okay, let's check it. I have 9. Remember, I don't need the 0 because in front, doesn't mean anything. So I have 9 times 6. 9 times 6 is 54. 54, does it match 54? Yes, it does. So my answer is correct. Very good. All right, you need to do letter D, which is 72 divided by 4, all by yourself. Let me know how you do. Number 4 says follow the signs. So in letter A, you need to add, B subtract, C multiply, and D multiply. Okay, let's look at the next side, page 114. Number 5 says write the missing factor. So you have 6 times what equals 36? 6, that's right. So you put 6 in the blank. And you do the rest just like that. All right, number 6 says fill in the blanks with less than, greater than, or equal to. Remember, this is less than because this number is smaller, the second number is bigger. Your, we call this a caret sign, it's always open towards the bigger number because it's going to eat the bigger one, just like a mouth. Yum, 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 yum. It's going to eat the bigger one. And the smaller one, not so much, so it's not open. This is greater than because you have the greater number here and the smaller number here. And this sign, remember, is equals. It means that they are the same on both sides. Okay, we're going to do letters A, B, and C together. So here I have 4 times 3 is less than, greater than, or equal to 6 times 2. Well, to compare them, first I need to solve the problem. What is 4 times 3? 12, very good. So 4 times 3 is 12. What's 6 times 2? Also 12. Make sure that you write the number here so you don't forget it. Okay, 12 and 12. Is 12 less than 12? Is 12 greater than 12? Or is 12 equal to 12? Equal to, that's right. So we put our equal sign. Very good. Okay, here I have 4 and 6 times 1. Well, what is 6 times 1? 6, very good. So is 4 less than 6, greater than 6, or equal to 6? It's less than, it's menos de. So we have to have this closed end towards the 4, the big open end towards the 6, because the 6 is bigger. Okay, letter C, 18, is that less than, greater than, or equal to 5 times 3? Well, first let's solve for 5 times 3. What is 5 times 3? 15, very good. So 18 is less than 15, greater than 15, or equal to 15? Greater than, that's right. The big open end towards the 18 because it's bigger than 15. Okay, so you now need to do letters D, E, and F on your own, just like we did it here. Number 7 says, use the table to plot the points on the line graph. Then draw lines